Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss modulus problems. See, earlier video we have learnt the modulus properties and also some of the problems we have learned it. In this session, if you see on the board, another model which is on the modulus problem, solve modulus x plus 3x divided by x plus 2 greater than 1. Okay, see this already, these techniques how to solve it I have discussed already. What we are supposed to do, if it is given like this, two terms on both sides, we have to bring all those terms on one side. Okay, given that, what is given? The given question, x plus 3 plus x divided by x plus 2 greater than 1, right? So now first one you carry this side, so it become x plus 3 plus x minus x plus 2 minus 1 greater than 0. Now we can do LCM. Here if you do the LCM, what are you going to get it? LCM as x plus 2. LCM as x plus 2. So modulus x plus 3 plus x minus 1 into x plus 2. So minus of x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now if you see here, modulus x plus 3 then plus x and minus x minus 2. What I am trying to do, I am opening the brackets. So it becomes minus x and minus 2 divided by x plus 2 greater than 0. Now let us simplify this. What you are going to get it? Modulus x plus 3, x cancel, minus 2 divided by x plus 2 greater than 0. So after this we are supposed to simplify modulus x plus 3. Here we are saying that modulus x plus 3 we have, right? Here again two cases will be erased. One is, it is in the numerator. So one case is greater than 0, another case is less than 0. One case is greater than 0, another case is less than 0. Okay, now let me do the case 1. What is the case 1? Case 1. What I said you, case 1, x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. That is a greater than or equal to 0. If you take it, x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So, x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0, it says that x greater than or equal to minus 3. Now, x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0, then this value will be taken as a positive, then it becomes x plus 3 minus 2 by x plus 2 greater than 0. X plus 2 greater than 0. From here, what you are going to get in? X plus 1 divided by x plus 2 greater than 0. See, in the earlier videos we have learned it already, how to simplify a fraction inequality. See, x plus 1 by x plus 2 greater than 0. So it says that both numerator and denominator are total. This fraction is positive. So this could be possible, both are positive or both are negative. So I have explained you also, it is greater than 0. The value of x does not lie between the critical points. Now if you see that, what are the critical points here? The critical points are x is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. And I have explained you, it does not lie between the critical point, means we have to start from the lower to higher. So then from here, what you could comment that one, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinite, right? But here we have taken x greater than or equal to minus 3. So that case also have to take, and x greater than or equal to minus 3. So if you take these combination together, so what you could write, x belongs to minus 3 and above. So minus 3 to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinite. This is for x greater than or equal to 0 condition if you apply that one. Now another case also will be possible. X plus 3 if is less than 0. If x plus 3 less than 0. Okay, let me write that one. Case 2. case 2. In this case 2, if x plus 3 less than 0, if x plus 3 less than 0. So if you take x plus 3 less than 0, what happens? Ultimately from here, 3 you send it, x less than minus 3 it happens. X less than minus 3 it happens. Then modulus x plus 3 case, we have to take the negative value. So it becomes minus of x plus 3 minus 2 divided by x plus 2 is greater than 0. Okay. So what I am trying to say, you are taking x plus 3 less than 0, then modulus x plus 3 becomes negative. Now simplify it one. If you simplify, what we are going to get it? Again one more fraction, you will see. Minus x minus 3 minus 2 divided by x plus 2 less than 0. Now if you simplify, minus x, sorry, greater than 0, minus x minus 5 x plus 2 greater than 0. Now I clearly insisted in the video, previous one, in the last class, what minus of x, if you have noticed, ensure that coefficient of x should be positive. So to make it, we have to multiply with the negative on both sides. When you multiply with the negative, less than, greater than symbols also will be changed. So I am multiplying with the negative. So multiplying with the negative with minus 1. So then it becomes x plus 5 by x plus 2. It becomes less than 0. See, in the top point of this one, what I said, if it is greater than 0, it does not lie between. Now, but here it less than 0. So the value of x lies between critical points. What are the critical points? Minus 2 and minus 5. See, x belongs to, now what you can write it? Minus 2 comma minus 5. Minus 2 comma minus 5. But what is it? What do we got it here? X less than minus 3, right? So combined one. What will we get? Combined one. It is minus 2 to minus 2 to minus 5 and x less than minus 3. So then x belongs to, what you can write it? Minus 3 comma minus 5. See, here 1 we got it. Here 1 we have got it. So we have to write together one possibility. So therefore, the solution set of the equation will be, in equation, the solution set, therefore, the solution set will be is, see, here minus 3 to minus 2 and union 1 to infinite, minus 1 to infinite, and that is minus 3 comma minus 5. So together, what we can write it? Minus 5 comma minus 2 union minus 1 to infinite. This completes the solution.